Hello, my name is Nathaniel Jackson. Today I'll be doing a demo of my prime lab. Let's get started. So test case -1. It has us doesn't do anything because it's less than 2. 0, same thing. 1, same thing. 2, it finds that 2 is a prime number, which is true. Now when you run it again, 10, it gives us 2, 3, 5, 7. Those are all prime numbers that are below 10. 53, it gives us all the numbers from 2 to 53 that are prime. And 100, same thing, works pretty quickly there. And then for 200, it just gives us all the prime numbers between 0 and 200.